This is the start of Python language learning series. This is for beginners for Python. In this series, basic of language, Python language, such as variables, loops, conditions, operators, double up behavior of Python language, DB connections, modules are talking about. And also in this video, I am going to deliver how to set up Python to the computer and also Hello World application. You can download Python in this URL. I will add this in the description too. Here there is the latest version of Python. If you select this, you can install other versions. Then you can download other versions of Python from here. There are 3.7, 3.6, all the latest release in here. As the IDE, I use Pycharm. There is a community version that is free and open source. From here, if Windows, you can use this installer, Windows installer. Okay, you can click here and after successfully download, you can click this and run. And if they are installed, then you can click install and continue the install. After you successfully install, that is very simple. Next, click it. You can install it. Then I click yes because I installed already. After you successfully install Python, you should install this Pycharm version 2. After you install successfully, you can open Pycharm. Then click here new project and I add the project as Python tutorial. Then I should add this my Python exe file path, that is C users user app data local programs Python Python 3.9 python.exe. Your base interpreter also uh, similar this. Then I can create here. After you create the project file, you can right mouse click the project folder and new Python file. You can name it as main.py. Then as the hello world project, you can print just simply hello world. This is simply language. There is no semicolon and also this is very similar to the English. Then you can also open the terminal from here and you can run Python main.py. There is hello world print. Then this is the starting of this video series. I am going to continue this video series to get a good knowledge in Python for you. Then please subscribe my video channel. Thank you.